Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to fetch the data or how to select the data from MySQL and show that data on our web page using PHP. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you. So let's start. In last video friends, we have successfully sent our local data to our online MySQL server using Python. Okay, this is what our script. Okay, so we have successfully sent our data to local to our remote MySQL. Okay, so if I open, we have used here a freebie take a dot free MySQL server. Okay, and this is what the PHP myadmin of our freebie dot take. Okay, and as you can see, this is what our data, this is what our fields, and distance is our table. So inside that distance table we have two fields. The first one is date time and next one is distance. So this is what our date time, and this is 23 is basically the distance. Now I just want to show this data on my web page using PHP. Okay, for that I am going to use here a infinity free web hosting for practice. Okay, so I am going to open my infinity free web hosting dashboard. Okay, as you can see, this is what the dashboard, and here we need to go inside the file manager. You have to simply click on file manager and it will open the file manager. Okay, this is what our PHP file, but just a minute, I'm going to just close the file manager. Okay, and so just click on file manager. Okay friends, now it's opening our file manager. Okay, and here we need to go inside the htdocs folder. So simply click on htdocs folder, and this is what our index.php file which I have created for getting the data or fetching the data from our MySQL database, and it will show the data on our web page. So simply I am going to edit the file, right click and just click on edit. Okay, or if you want to create the new file, of course you need to go here this plus sign, click on, and as you can see we can create the new file. Simply click on new file and give the name, and it will create the new file which I have already created. Okay, I will just mention the file. Okay, so no worry about the script. So I am going to click right and click on edit, and this is what our script for fetching the data from MySQL to on basically showing on web page. Okay friends, that's it. So first things, we need to mention our connection information. So server name, username, password and database name. Okay, which we have on our FreeDB dashboard. As you can see, the remote host, database name, username, password, this all the information we want to mention on our on inside our file. So first, server name, username, password and DB name. So you need to just change the server name with your server name, your username and your password name and your DB name. Okay, this is just for practicing. Okay friends, after that don't change anything here friends, because it will, this is just a creating connection. As you can see, create the connection, and this is what our connection query. Okay, so after that what we want to do, don't change anything from here. You have to change then the SQL is equal to select date time. So select date time and the distance is basically what, so select date time and distance, basically these two fields, as you can see, the date time and distance, these two fields I have mentioned here. So if you want to change with the data, so you have to mention your fields from here. Just select and mention your two fields. Okay, so I have mentioned my fields. I will again show you date time and distance. This is what our fields, date time and distance. Then the date time and distance from distance. So distance is our table name. Okay, as you can see here, distance is our table name, and inside that distance we have our date time and distance fields. Okay, so mention select date time and distance from distance is table. Okay, then don't change anything here. Then here again echo date time, this is what our date time, then raw and date time Okay, so inside this bracket we need to mention the fields. Okay friends, so raw double quote the date time, this is what our date time, as you can see this is what our date time. So you have to mention your fields, date time, and another raw we need to mention our distance. So date time and distance is basically our two fields. Okay friends, then again just we want to close the connection. So this is what the script, I will mention the script, you want to just change with your fields, your database name, your username, and your password name. Okay friends, then don't change anything. Okay, simply again I will explain you, just change server name, username, password name, db name, and from here SQL is equal to, you have to mention your two fields, like I have mentioned my fields, date time and distance. From distance, this is what our table name. Okay, so you have to mention your table name from here, and here in echo, in raw, we have to mention the fields which we want to show on our page. So date time and distance is just a two fields, you have to change these two fields, and then just save it, save the file. And if I go on my dashboard, and this is what my web host address, okay, this is what my website address, freedomtech.42.web.io, copy it. Okay, I have already opened the page, now just paste, and if I hit enter, as you can see we have got our entry on our page. Okay, now I am going to run our Python script, and it will send the real-time data. Okay, right now the time is here 13:36. Okay, 13:36. Now if I refresh the page, as you can see the live data 13:36 and distance is 23. Okay, so you need to just change friends some fields inside our PHP script. I will mention the script, then after you have to just practice more and more, and then you will also fetch the MySQL data from MySQL, and you will show that data on your web page using PHP. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye.